Hello everyone, Happy New Year to you all. For this video, I am unboxing Apple 16-inch MacBook Pro in space black featuring the nano texture glass display. I also opted for the Pro Apps bundle for education, which is a special offer if you're eligible for Apple's education discount. That saved me 31,090 pesos to be exact, or around 537 US dollars. So stay tuned and let's jump right in.
I ordered this laptop online at the Apple Store on December 7 because it wasn't available in the local stores here in the Philippines during that time. Since I teach in a university, I qualify for the education discount. Teachers and students are eligible for it. They initially told me that the delivery date would be January 8, but actually it arrived early in December 26, just in time for the holidays. It is still not available in local stores as of now here in the Philippines, though some places like Power Mac Center are taking pre-orders. If you're eligible and want to get the education discount, you can purchase the MacBook Pro alone or bundle it with the Pro apps. It's optional, but definitely a good deal if you need the apps. Alright, let's open this up. Apple's packaging is always neat and protective. Right on top, you can see the space black finish. It looks so sleek. Let's set the laptop aside to see what else is in the box. Now you have this USB-C to MagSafe 3 cable. The accessory kit contains documentation, warranty info, and no Apple stickers this time. And you have this special polishing cloth. This is for cleaning and maintaining the nano texture glass display without damaging it. And finally, you have the 140 watt USB-C power adapter. Now check out this space black finish. Compared to silver or space gray, it's got a bolder, more modern feel. It's not entirely fingerprint proof, but the darker color hides smudges pretty well. Overall, it's a sleek and eye-catching design. Let's have a look at all the ports on this new MacBook Pro. You'll find 3 Thunderbolt 5 ports, which aren't just quick, they're currently some of the fastest options available for data transfers. Right next to one of the Thunderbolt is the HDMI port, handy for direct connections to TVs and projectors. Also on the side is the SDX card slot, which makes transferring photos or videos from cameras a breeze. On the other side, we have the 2 Thunderbolt 5 ports, and also it has a headphone jack for wired audio. Here is also the MagSafe 3 port for secure, convenient charging. It snaps on and off magnetically, so there's less risk of someone trips over the cable. Altogether, it is a well-rounded set of ports designed with both creatives and everyday users in mind. Now, while I'm setting this up, let me share a bit of my personal journey with this purchase. For over 20 years, I've used Windows-based laptops and desktops. So this will be my first time working on a Mac. Until now, I've been using a Lenovo Yoga for the past 7 years. So long, in fact, that I have to keep it plugged in constantly for it to charge. My wife finally got fed up with its quirks, so we both agreed it was time for an upgrade. Despite its issues, that old laptop has been seeing me through a very productive year as a professor in the university. But now, it's time to dive into the world of Apple. I'll be honest, I'm not a die-hard Apple fan, and transitioning from Windows to macOS won't be a walk in the park. Plus, I'll be editing this video for sure using Final Cut Pro, which I've never touched before. So if things look a bit rough around the edges, I hope you'll forgive me. I plan to explore this new laptop to the best of my ability and circle back with a deeper update in about a month. Finally, here I am in the Apple MacBook Pro universe, and as a first-time Mac user, it feels both exciting and a bit overwhelming. Right in front of me is macOS, looking so sleek and polished compared to what I'm used to. The dock, referring to the row of apps along the bottom, is a whole new concept for me after years on Windows. But I love how easily I can jump into Safari, Mail, or even Final Cut Pro with a single click. Up at the top, there's the menu bar, which puts essentials like Wi-Fi and battery status just one glance away. I won't lie, figuring out Finder and learning all these gestures took me a moment, especially since I've spent more than a decade with Windows Explorer. But once I got the hang of swiping and using Spotlight to quickly find files or apps, I started to see what people mean about the Mac's flow. Everything just feels snappy. From opening apps to switching between desktops, it's like the M4 Pro chip and Liquid Retina XDR display were made to take the friction out of computing. I still have a lot to learn. I'm sure I'll fumble around a bit in the coming days, but I'm definitely enjoying how seamless the hardware and software feel. It's a whole new world compared to what I used to on Windows, and I'm definitely looking forward to seeing just how far this Mac ecosystem can take me. Since I teach in university, as I mentioned earlier, I was able to add the Pro Apps bundle along with the education discount. Both teachers and students are eligible. So this bundle includes Final Cut Pro, the Apple's flagship professional video editing software. Second is the Logic Pro, or the advanced music production application. Third is Motion, powerful motion graphics tool for creating 3D titles and effects. Fourth is the Compressor. It streamlines exporting and encoding tasks for video projects. And finally, Main Stage, which is ideal for live performances and music creation. I look forward to using this Pro Apps bundle when I have time already in the university. Now, you don't have to get these apps just because you're eligible for the education discount. It's totally optional. But if you do need them, this bundle is a great deal. Normally, if you bought this MacBook Pro with Final Cut Pro and Logic Pro, it would cost you around 200 grand here in the Philippines. With the education pricing plus the additional apps in the bundle, more or less you can pay less than that, like the discounted price. So that's actually a significant saving, as I mentioned earlier in this video, especially if you're going to use all these creative tools.